Hi everyone, and I'm excited to have you join us again in today's class. So today we'll be looking at chemistry wide past question on the topic carbohydrates, and we continue from where we stop. So for the first question we have here, it says the process of converting starch into glucose is known as A. Fermentation, B. Hydrolysis, C. Glycolysis, and D. Saponification. The correct answer is hydrolysis, and that is option B. Hydrolysis is the chemical reaction in which starch is broken down into glucose molecules through the addition of water. Often, it is facilitated by enzymes like amylase. So the correct answer is option B, hydrolysis. Another one. Which of the following carbohydrates contains a beta glycolic bond? A, we have sucrose, B, we have lactose, C, amylose, and D, starch. The right answer here is option B, lactose. Lactose is the sugar found in milk which contains a beta glycosidic bond between glucose and galactose. In contrast, amylose, which is a component of starch, contains alpha glycosidic bonds. Next, which of the following carbohydrates is a ketone sugar? A, we have glucose, B, ribose, C, fructose, and D, galactose. The correct answer is option C, fructose. Fructose is a ketose sugar, that is, a sugar with a ketone group, while glucose and galactose are aldoses, that is, sugars with an aldehyde group. Ribose, on the other hand, is a pentones sugar. So the only sugar that is a ketone sugar here is fructose, and that is option C. Next, the hydrolysis of starch yield which of the following products? A, we have amino acids, B, we have fatty acids, C, monosaccharides, and D, we have nucleotides. The correct answer is option C, which is monosaccharides. The hydrolysis of starch results in the production of monosaccharides, primarily the glucose. This process involves breaking down the glycosidic bonds in starch molecule. So again, C, which is monosaccharides, is the right answer. Lastly, which of the following reactions involves the formation of a glycosidic bond? A, hydrolysis of sucrose, B, formation of maltose from glucose, C, oxidation of glucose, and D, hydrolysis of lactose. Option B, which is formation of maltose from glucose, is the correct answer. The formation of maltose from two glucose molecules involves the creation of a glycosidic bond through a condensation reaction, and this results in the release of water. So again, option B is the correct answer. And this is where we lay it to rest. And in our next class, we continue from there.